como tengo problemas de la transmisión, vienen y lo hacen al revés. Ahorita tengo que esperarme 2 horas aquí, atorado otra vez. Necesito levantar un poco el suelo aquí y es aluminio. Esto es de pedo. Ese es pinche flying monkey. No tenemos nada que venir a hacerse para acá. Nomás viene se metió acá y para hacerla de pedo. ¿Sí entiendes? Para hacerme la de pedo. Nomás. No tiene ningún sentido lo que estoy haciendo. Ningún sentido lo que estoy haciendo. Porque se metió para allá de frente. Y luego ahorita viene de reversa. Nomás para bitch about because I fucking broke down right here. That's all they're doing it. Okay? That's all they do. Okay? They don't make sense what the fuck is doing it. Ohio drop or something. You know? Like that. It doesn't make sense because you go forward first and then it's going in backwards. But just to bitch about because I broke down right here with my fucking truck because I got transmission problems. So the forklift came their way. The UPS truck over there. Start bitching about, motherfucker. What the fuck are you bitching about? You got fucking not fair to go around. Okay? That's what I tell them. Sorry for the bad words. Sorry because I say bad words. Okay? Pero sometimes se lo merecen, ¿verdad? Pero no estoy haciendo nada malo y vine a mi intervención. Tengo que esperar un rato como todo el tiempo. Pues, I'm tired of this shit. It's kind of hard, right? It's hard, really hard. Let me see if this guy's gonna stop bitching about so I can put it on YouTube. Okay? What? Okay, thank you. My transmission is broke, sorry. Okay. The UPS and the truck over there start bitching about because I came to pick up a scrap. We're cars and bodegas, whatever you want to call them, man. I don't care. This one is complete. He needs all he needs the control in there. Plenty controls in there. I got like a 10, 20 controls in there. I got extra tires, everything. Because the painting green, the painting green, that's why they toss it out. Okay, but this thing it works. It's complete tires and everything works. The painting green. So the controls right here. I got like a 10.